In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and show the color legend in Tableau. If you're looking to simplify your workspace or just focus on specific data points, being able to toggle this feature can greatly enhance your Tableau experience. Let's dive right in and get started with these straightforward steps. First things first, you'll want to begin by opening the Tableau public app. This is your go-to software for creating stunning and interactive visualizations. Once you have Tableau opened up, the next step is to access your worksheet. Typically, this will be the workspace where you manage and manipulate your data. Accessing your worksheet should be a breeze if you're already familiar with navigating Tableau's user-friendly interface. Once you're in your worksheet, you'll need to select a sheet that has a color legend. This might sound obvious, but make sure your data visualization includes color coding, as this is an essential component you'll be working with in today's lesson. Now, moving on to the specific task of hiding the color legend, you'll notice a drop-down menu within the legend itself. This menu is your gateway to customizing how your data's color information is displayed. Click on this drop-down menu, and you'll see the option to hide card. By selecting this, you instantly remove the color legend from your view. This is particularly useful when you want to reduce clutter or emphasize other parts of your visualization without distraction. But what if you need the legend back? No worries, there's an easy way to restore it. Head over to the Analysis menu located in the top navigation bar. Here you have a variety of options for enhancing and refining your data presentation. Within the Analysis section, you'll want to locate and select the Legend option. This menu is where you'll control the visibility of various legends within your workspace. From there, simply select the Color Legend to bring it back into view. The process is seamless, allowing for quick adjustments depending on your visualization needs. There's another method to manage your color legend, offering more versatility in how you tailor your display. You can also hide the legend by deselecting the color legend directly within the Analysis menu. This is an alternative to using the drop-down within the legend itself, providing you with multiple pathways to achieve the same outcome. By mastering these simple but effective techniques, you elevate your ability to present data in the most clear and concise manner possible. Whether you're aiming to showcase your data storytelling skills or just trying to keep your workspace organized, these tools will undoubtedly come in handy. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to hide and show the color legend in Tableau. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to explore these steps in your own Tableau projects for a more dynamic and customized data visualization experience.